Hi guys! Kain tayo ng sweet and spicy na cracklings. So, maangang tsaka maasim. So, wait. Hindi mo kaya sa water yun. Chicken, it's good. But it's hard. Water. It's fine. Pero ako nilagay na kasi may light. Okay. So, water. And then the big one. The big version. Oh, cracklings. It's hard. Guys, umalis siya. Pinagalitan siya. Grabe, pero naiwan niya to guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. So, subscribe kayo. Subscribe na. Kahit ano yun